going outside and just been doing my bounding on the football field.
Okay.
But haven't been able to,
Actually jump over
wise,
You
triple
know,
jump
just-
wise, I
he
haven't
just-
been able to.
He just goes up and touches the rim, like,
Yeah, like it's nothing.
Yeah.
He has 6 foot other students that are 6 feet tall stand in front of him, and he just jumps over
Yeah.
them. If he doesn't kick them in the head, it's a really good day.
Yeah. Have you tried that yet?
I've never. I've jumped over fences. I've tried jumping over fences.
Hopefully not barbed wire, right?
Now, Jared, how tall are you, buddy? Because I noticed when you walked in, you almost needed to duck, get the door, look like.
He's grown since football season.
Yes, that's why I was
6'3",
asking.
Yeah.
A little more than 6'2", somewhere around 6'3". I think.
I was going to guess closer to 6'4".
It's going to be a monster on the football field
Yeah.
this year at that defensive end spot.
That and is it tight end or wide receiver that you play?
I played tight end last year, but they're trying me at split end this season.
Okay.
I figure he'll
Yeah.
move out, and they'll still have Cameron Moore will
Yeah.
probably stay at the tight end spot, and that'll put Jared out there. And you really like having a 6'3" kid.
Well, the man that
That's your
runs
wide
hurdles
receiver.
and
and
Yeah,
he
they
go
can
up with
hurdle the other
ball.
players, yeah.
you know,
and
he just
that's the
casually
thing is
goes
you-
up and grabs the rim.
That's it. You can go up. Most high school cornerbacks 5'10", 5'11" at best. That's probably a good number for them. And when you're dealing with 6'3" to begin with, then you add the leaping ability.
Oh, yeah.
It's a matter of just putting the ball in the vicinity.
I'm excited.
It's a good thing we have a sliding door so he can fit his head through there. We'll keep bumping him. I'm
We're
kidding,
not
Jared.
raising the expectations much, are we?
No.
Now, Jared, I do want to know the high jump, the triple jump is pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, you run down. People know of the long jump, and then you've got the triple jump, which is where you take 3 big steps and do the same thing. But the high jump, how did you first get into that? And what was it like the very first time you did it?
Well, I've been doing track since I was in 7th grade. So a while back, 'cause Illinois, track's, a completely different animal, Track up there is like football is down here.
Okay.
So I've been doing, track since 7th grade, and we had a high jump mat at our middle school even. And I was practicing, and, I was just winging it, and I was able to jump over what everyone else wasn't able to.
Yeah.
So I figured out that high jump was something that I was going to be good at in my future.
Now, the traditional way of doing it is jumping back first.
Yeah.
Right? Now, it used to not be that. It's been a long time. I think since the 60s when that changed. Did you ever try it the other way?
I mean, messing around in practice, I've,
Yeah.
jumped off springboards and done front flips and,
The
just...
Cirque du Soleil.
Yeah,
That's
no
what he's
kidding.
planning on doing when
Wow.
when high school's over. Why not?
Doing flips. Oh, boy.
I couldn't jump a limbo ball.
No. Me either.
Now, what was your what was the height that you placed with at this last meet?
At sectionals, I jumped 6 foot even. But first meet of
Which
the
is
year...
amazing.
Yes.
First meet of the year, when my legs were, completely healed, because
He's got a hamstring injury.
I've torn my hamstring twice since February.
Oh, you're going to lay down.
So
Football's about to come around, Jared.
I've been battling that.
Let him get through state with this, and then
I guess that's okay, but football's coming out.
yeah.
But yeah, in the beginning.
So
of the
he's done
season-
6'4".
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. Now,
And then triple jump. Did
yeah,
you
what's
tell
the
me
mark
that
of triple jump?
Last season, my best after jumping every single meet, having a runway and everything, was 42 feet 5 inches, I think. And
Does that start from the first bound? Is that where they start?
from the board.
So they measure.
Oh, okay.
But this season, because of my hamstrings, I have only jumped in a pit twice all year, and I ended up jumping a season best at sectionals with 43 feet 6 inches.
Yeah, he's jumped twice the whole year, and
Well,
this is what he
state
does.
opponents. He's hurt, so hopefully he'll stay under 45 feet.
Giving everybody just a chance because he's such a nice guy.
Yeah.
That's right.
Now, Jared, when exactly is the meet next week in Murfreesboro? And where is it at MTSU?
I believe so.
Okay.
And my high jump, I may have them backwards, but in either high jump or triple jump, competing at 10:15 in the morning, and then at 12 o'clock.
Same
So
day?
that's good. You don't
Same
have to
day.
sit
And
around
what day
all
is
day.
this?
This is Friday of next week.
Next Friday. Next Friday. We may have to get up there for that.
I have graduation. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, you can.
No,
I
I
don't.
can't go. I would go. I love track meets.
Well, that's morning. We'll get up there. We may get up there, Jared. That'll be fun. All right, so we talked about track and field. Other events in the track and field, you mentioned hurdles that you do. What else are you doing with track and field?
This
you
year,
did, I guess.
this year that's all I've done. I in the past was on relay teams. I ran on varsity relay teams last year, but due to only having 5 guys on the track team and not everyone even being a sprinter, being distance runners, we couldn't even have a relay team. So I wasn't, able to do that. But
You're kind of busy jumping. You don't have to run. You don't have to run.
Let's get back to this jumping thing. So are you planning on basketball? I mean, I don't care if you can dribble. You can be like Shaquille O'Neal. Just stand in there, grab it, and jump and dunk. Spin, jump, and
You
dunk.
can jump.
I tried it freshman year, and just due to, maybe, I'm not saying I'm a natural basketball athlete, because that's probably not the case, but, due to everyone else on the team playing since they were, 4-year-olds, they knew all the plays, and I had no idea what I was doing.
I don't care.
I never.
The way you said jumping and touching the rim, just like it was casual. I don't care. Jared, you're going to go down there and stand down low. They're going to throw it high and just
Coaching you already.
break the backboard. Just bring it down. That's all we want to see.
Eat it. Eat the rim.
Eat the rim.
Eat the rim.
And then shoot free throws. That's the only thing you got to learn to do. Then you'll be better than Shaquille O'Neal. You may not be as tall. If you just turn and slam it and shoot free throws, you're in there.
Well, Jared, whenever you get out of college and you're looking for agents,